Welcome back, my dear students. So, in this part 2 video, this is a very small video, but it values a most powerful one because in this video, I'm going to share a basic knowledge of review of related studies. So, before starting this video, I want to share one thing to all the basic researchers that if you want to conduct a quality research, then this chapter is a very important and essential for you to learn and grasp so many things for your research. Let us discuss some of the important key points of related literatures. So, very important thing is in the review of related literature, we need to give an introduction, brief introduction about the reviews, that what actually existing research may present related to your studies. That is very important. It clearly reviews the synthesize existing research and literature related to your topic, because a researcher want to produce a good quality research, then he must or she must have a proper back support for the research. That can be possible only with the help of collecting a proper review. So with the help of a review, a researcher can clearly create a route map for his research and find a possible path to attain the aim of his research. So that is the main idea of a review of related literature. Next, we have to discuss the key points of the purpose of review of related literature. Why we need to collect review of related literature? So this is nothing but it will provide a theoretical framework for the study. While we collecting the data, it will clarify the importance of reviewing the literature by highlighting how it provides context, insights, and theoretical framework. So, if a researcher clearly know the theoretical background of his research, then only he will get a clear idea about his own present research. Next, we have to move on to the next important part is the collection of research in different methods. First one is we have to collect the literature from the national wide. Second, in the international wide. In the national wide, it is nothing but the significant studies may be summarized from the collection of data from various sources like university libraries, central university libraries, college libraries, textbooks, reference books, or any kind of internet sources, and we have to mention the key findings and trends. So in every review, we have to mention what are all the significance may present with your study. And in the national wide research, we have to collect the summaries of influential studies of a particular title which relevant to our studies. So these two parts are very important, and we need to collect the review data with the year-wise order to some extent according to the need of the university, particular university. So finally, in the chapter 2, a researcher can mention a, a brief conclusion about what actually he or she collected a good idea with the help of the reviews. They have to summarize the key insights gained from the literature review and emphasizing the gap. In the first chapter itself, I told that finding the research gap is a very essential part of the research. So that can be possible in the review 2, chapter 2, especially the collection of reviews, and tends that your study will contribute. How it tends to contribute for the next level may also be possible. So with that, in chapter 2, review of related literature, though the slide is very simple, but the process of collecting the review is, as per my knowledge, it is little complicated. Unless otherwise, if a researcher with understanding of deeper knowledge about his own research, then only a fruitful aim to be achieved. So for that, the reviews may take part a very important contribution for a researcher to find a right path of his research. So in this chapter 2, I discussed some of the basic ideas of review of related literature, and in chapter 3, I want to share the methodology with you. Until then, thank you for watching my video.